Welcome back to the Makeup Palette series, guys, volume 2. Today we are doing the Heaps of Sweets palette by XO Beauty. I do have an affiliate link with them and a 10% discount code for you guys down in the link in my bio or in the description. It could be both. I've already primed my eyelids, so let's get into this. This is the Heaps of Sweets palette. This is upside down. I used the pinks and purples in the volume 1 makeup palette series, so I'm gonna focus more on this side of the palette today. I'm gonna take vanilla. I feel like palettes from other countries just hit different. I don't know why. That's my opinion. Do y'all want me to like tell stories or something while I'm doing makeup? Is that fun? Not like Bailey Sarian, because I feel like that'd be like copyright or something, but something like that. Because like I don't have cool stories to tell, which is why I don't tell stories. You know what I mean? I'm gonna take caramel and put it just here on the lid. I also don't understand how people talk and do this at the same time. Like, I have to concentrate so hard because my brain just broken. I'm gonna take the first brush that we used and caramel on that brush, and then just start blending caramel into vanilla. I know people talk about their lives and like stuff like that. I don't have one, so it's hard to talk about things that you don't have, you know? I can talk about my husband all day long because he's amazing, but do y'all really want to hear that while you're watching me do makeup? Probably not. I don't know what to talk about. And then I was like, oh, I can just do like an intro and then do silent makeup. I'm not good at that either. Maybe like the on-screen, like where I pop it up. Is that fun for anybody? Is it helpful? Like, instead of like trying to hold the palette up to show you, I can just on-screen show you. I'm gonna take brownie and like a little point brush. I'm just going to smudge that into my lash line slash bring it out just a little bit. Kind of like a smudged eyeliner look, but make it brown. I also feel like I might poke my eyeball out if I'm talking and doing something like this. Does that look like an eyeliner? I'm gonna take an angled eyeliner brush. Create like an actual like wing-like effect. Do y'all want to be zoomed in when I'm doing this? What are some goals y'all have of 2024? I'm trying different, mine's like work related, right? I want to try different content. So like my makeup videos, let's be honest, get very minimum views, which is really sad because this is what I love doing. And not saying that I'm going to stop doing this because I don't care how many views it gets, I'm still going to be doing it. I'm doing like some hauls and I want to bring back Get Ready With Me, but like I don't really go anywhere. So I do like Get Ready With Me to film. I'm just taking that brush with no extra product and just literally going over the top just to make it a little less harsh. And I'm gonna take apricot and put it just on the inner corner. Fun fact, she's also the person that taught me the inner corner was like a game changer. It's almost like copper, like that looks crazy. I just put caramel on like the tip of this. I think I want more blush. So I'm gonna take the Cheyenne B, the apricot shade Bellini, and put exactly too much on. What possessed me to do that? I don't know. Then we're gonna use a tried and true, the Mary Lou Manizer from The Balm. It's like a 2016 or 20 something highlighter, and honestly I think it'll forever be a staple. I'm gonna put a little lip gloss on and then do my mascara and lashes off camera. The Jeffree Star lip oils have to be stored like this. Not, it's gonna leak out everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna do my mascara off camera and then my lashes are gonna be the Soulmates. Love these. And a haul on all my ShinXO stuff that I bought recently is coming soon. Don't know if it's gonna be here or on TikTok or possibly both. Who knows? Okay guys, so this is the finished eye look using the Heaps of Sweets palette from XO Beauty. Hands down, one of my favorites. Will always be #1 in my heart, the brand and the palettes, because it blends beautifully. All of the eyeshadows do from her. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you next time. Don't forget to get your 10% off, girl. You don't have to use my affiliate code. I understand some people are weird about that. Don't use it, but get your 10% off, okay? Bye guys.